Hello, welcome back. I am back. 3 more journals, not embellished, but they come all with a lot of ephemera. I'll show you the ephemera when I go through the journals. So let's start with this one. This is a poppy-themed journal that comes, let me grab all this ephemera, that comes with all this ephemera. So we have here a couple of blank tags. Here, this is one of the fold-out pockets that I usually put into my journals. I love this idea. So you can glue it on 3 sides and make it into a pocket. You can put something behind or here inside. You can fold out this pocket completely. Then I have added 2 of my tag pockets. A triple pocket from a book page, and I've sewn here around a little bit of sewing, 2 more cute journals, and then it comes with, with all this pre-cut ephemera and also distressed. You can use this as it is and fold it, or you can cut or tear it here apart and use this as a journal cards this for. I have punched all these little holes here. So then we have here a belly band, or I would use this, for example, as a belly band. It comes with lots of these little tags from the kit that I have used here. Lots of little tags, distressed, some embellishments, all fussy cut, journal cards, all poppy themed. So this is plenty of ephemera for you to play and to glue it into this journal. Here a few strips that says date, 3 of them, and here envelopes. I haven't glued them shut. I thought you can use it either as an envelope as it is, or you let it open and you can journal here some secret messages. So is this. So lots of ephemera that comes with this blank journal. The closure is a ribbon. It's completely removable. It's a soft cover journal, obviously. It doesn't look much, but it has, this is 64 pages. Yes, it is. So, gorgeous cover. Poppy on this blue, on this green background. The cover is sealed with Mod Podge, and it opens up like this. On the inside we have here a colored fabric that I have colored and sprayed. I'm in a frame. Poppies, line page, background pages, coffee stand pages, craft cardstock as a pocket. So this is definitely a blank journal, but with this lot of ephemera, you can fill it up and make it fat and fluffy. This is a Spanish book page from The Last Mohican. Some vintage music. And this is vellum. I printed on vellum. Vintage book page. And the center page is so gorgeous because, ta-da, it's a poppy field. It's a drawing out of a book from Gordon Benningfield. And I let here the strings longer. You can cut them short if you like, or you put maybe a butterfly or a flower here. So you can always use these pages, the book pages and all the other pages, and glue some stuff from the ephemera on there. For example, I'll show you this in a second. As an example, you can glue, for example, this tag pocket here, or here, 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 or you can also glue it here if you wish. So this is totally up to you. It's also a pocket. And here this is now an example, the fold out page. If you glue it to 3 sides, for example, you can glue it here. Folds out. It's gorgeous. So this is the poppy themed journal. As soon as this video is uploaded, it's in the journals are in my shop. This comes with this whole lot of ephemera. Put it now here under. For the moment, I will pack it in a nice bag. So then we have this journal, very nature, fern themed, gardening, maybe very green, gorgeous. Same concept, sealed with Mod Podge, one signature. This here is a sari ribbon that I have colored. I'll show you the ephemera that comes with it in a second. This has also 64 pages, I believe. Gorgeous green inside fabric. I've colored this twice. I had to color it twice, so to have this green. Here, this is the first book page from Gordon Winningfield. And if you fold it open, you have this drawing from the owl. And then you fold it over. When you fold up, there's the other owl. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this. So, vintage book page. I love this. I love this kit. Spanish book page. This is a craft cardstock with a large pocket. Edith Holden, of course. I have reinforced it with some washi. Here you can see it very lightly. Here the leaves. I have coffee dyed it with a stencil. Here's another page, book page from Gordon Winningfield. Folds up. Here is a poem, Last Hours. So it's very autumn related. This gorgeous page. Look at this gorgeous drawing or painting. Green coffee stain paper. Vintage music. Here this is lined, but I also have used a stencil and coffee dyed it. Great. Green. Very green. That's the center page, the ferns. Here again, the strings longer. You can cut them short if you wish. The other side from the book page. Here's again a poem from Frost at Midnight. And here, this gorgeous page from the flowers. So I think this yellow goes very well with the green, because it also has here always green in the background, and to give it a little pop of color. Here's again an owl from Edith Holden page. This is a German version of Edith Holden, I have to say this. So this is a German text, but they have exactly done it as Edith Holden in English. Pocket. And I thought this goes very well with the leaves and this brown, and I think it works well. Spanish page. German vintage page. And here you can see it's again a book page that folds out. You can just cover this here up. This is in German, but I thought it's cute. So this is the journal, and I'll show you now the ephemera that comes with the journal. So at the moment, unembellished, it looks very thin. Oopsie, loose fibers for free. It looks very thin at this moment, but you, as soon as you fill it, it will fluffy up. So that comes with all this ephemera that I've put here in. This was a double printing. I will include this. So it comes with a triple pocket that you can glue down. When you glue it down on 3 sides, you have 1, 2, 3 pockets. Oopsie. The tag pockets that I usually do from parchment paper. Here I have cardstock, craft cardstock blank tag shapes. Here I have stenciled. Oopsie. This is craft paper. I have stenciled. Then this is also from craft cardstock. Here's a pocket, another pocket, and a third pocket. So we have really lots of room. And then this comes with all this embellishments, the journal cards, lots of stuff, more tags. And you can also embellish these more with things from your stash. Be creative. Just go with your imagination. This slide from paper. I've distressed all this. So a ton, I think it's a ton of things that I can include to this journal. And you have really possibilities to play with it. Little envelopes. You can also put some of the glue it shut and then put journal cards into these envelopes. Very green, but also autumn. Yeah, I like it. It's gorgeous. I like fern. More journal cards, and journal cards. Here tickets and these little labels, maybe, if you call them labels. Yes, I think more ticket shapes. Bingo card and postcard. So all this ephemera goes with this journal. And then we have the third one. Also very green, very gardenish, ferns. The ephemera comes later. It's again sealed with Mod Podge, soft cover. Doesn't look really much. It has 60 pages. Sturdy enough, because on the inside between this and this layer I have usually the file folder with colored fabric, very nature themed. Here a little bit of a puppy. So this is yeah, maybe you can use it as a planner. So because here it says keep this in mind. Maybe you can make a planner out of it. An Edith Holden page in German. And I think this is also so cute. This is craft cardstock. Large pocket here. And I think this brown goes with this background here. This says date. So maybe you can make a kind of planner. German vintage page. Green coffee stained. Here this a coffee stained this through this stencil. Don't know if you can see it. Spanish book page. Another Edith Holden from the German version of Edith Holden. with the bird and the branches. Here again, as you can see, very lightly colored coffee stain with a stencil. Vintage music. And here, this is, you can see it. Yes, now you can see it. The gorgeous gate, an old wooden gate. And here the bird. And then it opens up like this. I love these pages. Gordon Benningfield, his drawings and pictures. This is a German text. But it's really, really pretty, I think. And here this green goes again with this. This brown again with this grungy coffee stained. This is, by the way, from the last Mohican in Spanish. So no bad words. Here again the brown and this blossoms, I would say blossoms with this black dots here. I think that works well. Here you can see you can see it's in German October. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this comes also with a lot of ephemera. So, come here. So, this comes with all this ephemera, so you can really fill it up. So first of all, this file folder type. Then it has some labels that says date, ticket, journal cards, tags, and more tags. Journal cards, bingo card. So lots of journal cards that I have cut out for you, and I've distressed the edges so you can just go and start playing. Also here this other shapes of journal cards. You can also use this and glue it to a page to make a tag or a pocket out of them. That's totally up to you. I haven't counted now the pieces of ephemera that comes with the journal, but it is plenty. This is a triple pocket. Again, the tag pockets from parchment paper. This is also pockets, here pocket, there pocket, and there pocket. A fold-out pocket. You can glue it here to 3 sides, put something behind, and you can fold it completely open. Let me show you this. So you can see, you can completely fold it open, and it just closes. It closes. If you put the flap in there. So you can glue here and here. A couple of blank tags, and this coffee stained window envelope. That's a lot. So put this for the moment. I put this behind the journal so that I can pack it right now a little bit prettier. So these are now the two. Oopsie. So I have to put it behind the journal for the moment. So this one, they are very green, very nature. This is fern themed and the poppy themed. They go now into my shop. I hope you like this idea. I hope you check out my shop. The link is in the description box. Yeah, I hope to see you soon. There's more to come. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.